Hi, good afternoon, fourth graders. We are starting our unit on division. We talked a lot in class today about having perseverance, which is going to be super important in this unit. This tends to be one of the tougher concepts that we learn this year. So you're going to have to be showing me lots of perseverance and our growth mindset. So today in math class, we practice some of our division. We are going to start thinking about division as just making equal groups or repeated subtraction. So we're going to start today, which is looking at an easy division problem, and then as the unit goes on, we'll have more efficient strategies for solving division problems. So the first one, let's just say I have 34 divided by 5. Now, fourth graders, this might be one that we can do in our head, or we can start thinking about in our head, but I just want to show you what it means to divide. So when we think about division, the number that we have in the inside, or the number we're dividing into groups, that's how many objects we have. Just like today in math class, that was how many starbursts we have. So we have 34 starbursts, and we want to break it into groups of 5. So the way I like to think about it is, let's say I make one group of 5 down here. I have to take away 5 from here to see how many I have left. Okay? So I have 29 starbursts left. Let's say I make another group of 5. Down to 24. Let's say I make another group of 5. Down to 19. Let's make another group of 5. Each time I'm taking out 5. Now I'm down to 14. I'm going to continue it up here. I'm sorry, I ran out of room. Let's say we make another group of 5. I'm going to subtract. Now I'm down to 9 starbursts left in the middle. I still have enough to take away another group of 5 because I have 9 left. So one group of 5, subtract 5. I have 4. I have 4 left over. I don't have enough to make another group of 5. So I'm going to come over to, I know this is kind of messy, our groups of 5, and we're going to look and see how many even groups of 5 we made. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 6 groups of 5, and I have a remainder of 4. So that's, when we think about division, this is exactly what we're doing. Essentially, we're just doing repeated addition. Let's take a peek at another one. So let's say I have, let's say 42 divided by 9. My 9 kind of got cut off. 9. In this one, my division sign's kind of messy. In this one, let me just start all over with that. That got really sloppy. So this one, my problem was 42 divided by 9. So this one, in my mind, I'm imagining 42 starbursts in the middle, and I'm taking out groups of 9. So I have 42 that I'm starting with. I'm taking out groups of 9. Okay, there's one group of 9. Subtract 9. Okay, I have 33 left, so I still have enough to make another group of 9. Take away 9. I have 24 left. I still have enough to make another group of 9. I have 15 left. So 15 starbursts, I still have enough to make one more group of 9. I subtract 9. So 15, I'm going to write it over here. 15 subtract 9 is 6. I have 6 starbursts left, so I don't have enough to make another group of 9, but I can look here and see that I have 4 groups of 9 with a remainder of 6. Again, so like I talked about, we're going to have a much more efficient way to solve division, but I just wanted you to get the idea of what we're doing. In later videos, we're going to take a peek at how to take away more groups at a time instead of just taking away one group of 9 at a time. But I hope that you are ready for class tomorrow. If you want to try one on your own, I'll give you this problem. I have 73 divided by, let's do 8. 73 divided by 8. So if you wanted to try one with that repeated subtraction, go ahead. If not, we're going to practice it some more in class on Wednesday. All right, have a good night.